Today we're sharing the common culprits behind hair loss and giving you a handful of super easy natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can help you turn things around and regain those luscious locks. So what are the reasons behind excessive hair fall? Let's get into the do's and don'ts to fight hair loss. Let's go! First step, don't make poor diet choices. Your hair, just like your body, craves nutrients. A poor diet that lacks vital nutrients like protein, omega-3s, vitamins, and minerals can totally mess with your hair's health. These nutrients are like superfuel for your hair follicles, and they promote growth and strength. When you're not getting enough of these goodies, your hair can become weak and start falling out. So how do you fix this? Do go for nutrient-packed eating habits. Healthy hair begins from within. Load up on nutrient-rich goodies like leafy greens, eggs, pumpkin seeds, avocados, carrots, bell peppers, and citrus fruits. These foods are bursting with goodies like iron, zinc, vitamin E, vitamin C, and biotin, the very stuff your hair craves. When you fuel your body with these vitamins and minerals, you're sending a message to your hair follicles: grow strong and stay fabulous. Also, ditch bad foods that can cause hair loss like fried food, sugar, carbonated drinks, and alcohol. By eating better, your hair becomes stronger, less prone to breakage, and shines like a star. We've shared a great number of these tips on best foods and nutrients to eat in a previous video to get the results you want to achieve for your locks. Check them out after this video. Next up, don't accumulate stress overload. Life's a roller coaster, but when stress knocks at your door, it can mess with your body's hormone harmony. High stress levels can push hair follicles into a resting phase, causing hair to shed more than usual. These hormonal changes can also mess with the hair's growth cycle, which leads to thinning as well. So how do you fix this? Do use stress-free techniques. Your hair and body deserves peace. Engage in stress-relieving activities like yoga, meditation, grounding, or a calming walk in nature. All these practices help balance hormones and create a positive environment for your hair to flourish and grow. Want to relieve stress with a natural herb? Look into ashwagandha powder. Mix 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha in 500 ml of water and feel its powerful health benefits to relieve stress and improve sleep. Enjoying these tips? Give us a virtual high five by tapping that like button. It tells YouTube to spread the goodness to others. Thanks for being awesome. And while you're at it, subscribe to join us on this healthy hair adventure. Next up, don't accumulate a lack of sleep. Z's matter. Here's the scoop. When you skimp on sleep, your body's stress levels can go a bit haywire. And as we mentioned, stress can lead to more hair fall. How do you fix this? Do get proper sleep. Beauty sleep is real. While you snooze, your body repairs and rejuvenates, including your locks. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to keep your hair growth cycle in check. Create a calming bedtime routine. Shut down your phone, your laptop, and close the Wi-Fi to embrace better sleep. You'll notice the difference. Enjoy sweet dreams and wake up to dreamy locks. Next, don't use incorrect hair care habits. Are you being too rough with your hair? Using heated styling tools like curling irons and straighteners excessively can zap your hair's natural moisture, which can then make it fall out. And those tight hairstyles, while they're cute, they can actually stress out your hair, which leads to strands shedding more. Harsh chemicals in some hair products can also weaken your hair structure over time. How do you fix this? Do start a gentle hair care routine. Treat your hair like the delicate treasure it is. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals, overuse of heated styling tools, and tight hairstyles that stress out your lovely locks. Instead, opt for gentle shampoos and conditioners that pamper your hair. Air dry whenever you can and let your hair breathe freely. Treat yourself to DIY natural nourishing masks and oils that give your hair the extra love it craves. By embracing this gentle approach, you're saying goodbye to breakage and hello to healthier, stronger hair. Next, don't forget to give your scalp regular love. A healthy scalp is where your hair health begins. A neglected scalp can lead to a variety of issues like dandruff, dryness, excess oil production, and hair loss. How do you give it some love? Do give yourself scalp massages. Oh, what a bliss! When you massage your scalp, you're boosting blood circulation to your hair follicles, kind of like giving them a wake-up call. This increased blood flow brings all the good stuff, nutrients and oxygen, right to your hair's doorstep. And guess what? A well-nourished scalp means healthier, happier hair that's less likely to fall out. Plus, it's another great stress buster, so you're fighting hair fall due to stress with it as well. So treat yourself to a soothing scalp massage 5 to 10 minutes a day, Add organic rosemary oil, and your hair will thank you with the extra bounce and shine. We've shared the ultimate scalp massage tips and techniques in our previous videos. Be sure to check them out after this one. Next up, don't forget to detangle your hair and don't use a hairbrush to detangle. It's important to detangle your hair to avoid breakage, split ends, and unnecessary stress on the hair shaft. Regular detangling helps prevent knots and tangles that can lead to damage when left unaddressed. Most hairbrushes are too harsh for your hair and not made to detangle. It's important to do a bit of research on the basic tools you use on your hair so that it works well for your hair texture. The right tools will improve the texture of your hair, reduce breakage, and eliminate frizz and static. So how do you select a good detangler? Do use TangleGenie. Your strands are delicate and you want to keep them in place without getting into a detangling battle. So meet your hair's hero, TangleGenie. TangleGenie is a magical detangler designed to save your strands from damage. It's made specifically to detangle hair ranging from type 1A to 3A. This 360-degree detangler helps the brushing process and protects your hair from damage. You'll be amazed at how easy it gets rid of your tangles. No more pulling, tugging, or hair falling out. Be sure to give TangleGenie a try for silky smooth, tangle-free locks. Next, don't let environmental factors harm your hair. Pollution, harsh sunlight, and chlorinated water aren't exactly your hair's BFFs. Pollution particles can cling to your hair, making it look dull and potentially weakening it over time. Harsh sunlight can affect your hair's moisture and color, leaving it more fragile. And that refreshing dip in the pool? Chlorine can strip your hair of its natural oils and leave it dry and brittle. All of this results in your hair falling out more. How do you fix this? Do protect your hair from outdoor factors. Shield your hair from these elements. Wear a stylish hat or scarf to protect your hair from harsh sunlight and pollution. And rinse your hair thoroughly after swimming to remove chlorine and other chemicals. Next, aging. While we can't tell you not to age, growing older is a privilege that comes with hair changes. As we gracefully grow older, our hair's growth cycle can slow down and individual strands might become more fine. It's all part of the natural process. What can you do? Do switch up your hair care routine as you age. Embrace this journey with love and care. Choose products designed for age-related hair changes and switch up your routine to cater to your hair's evolving needs. Nourishing shampoos and conditioners along with regular trims can keep your hair feeling fresh and fabulous. Remember, age is just a number and your hair journey is a celebration of every stage of life. Next, don't overuse chemical hair products. Chemicals are everywhere, especially in hair products. Chemical ingredients can lead to hair loss and a range of other concerns. They can weaken your hair structure, which makes it more prone to breakage and thinning. Chemicals like sulfates can strip the hair and scalp of natural oils, which leads to dryness and potential hair damage. How do you fix this? Do opt for natural remedies and DIY hair products. Mother Earth has a treasure of goodies that your hair adores. Ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, rosemary oil, and onion juice are like secret weapons against hair fall. These natural wonders bring nutrients and love directly to your hair to make it stronger and shinier. Incorporate them into your routine with masks or massages, and watch your hair do a happy dance. Let us know how this video helped you in the comments below, and head over to this video right here to learn more about all the best foods to eat to achieve healthy hair. Happy, healthy hair journey!